Really, I just want like everybody to see my cool belt. A salad for spring, a salad for summer, another salad. I think it just gets funnier every time that I do another salad. I love salad. Sue me. I don't know. And then I think nobody will care, but people, they're digging the salad. So here's more salad. Welcome to the Leopard Lodge. If you are new here, this is a channel dedicated to creative projects in the home, including making delicious salads. This is my favorite salad to make in the springtime because it really embodies the idea of spring and growth and rebirth and yada yada yada. Gone are the slim pickings of winter vegetables, and we are in the bountiful time of spring. Strawberries usually start cropping up in California, probably in March, April, May. You know, this is when strawberry comes out. I'd say they really start hitting their peak in June with that really like ripe, sweet juiciness. But the slightly more tart spring strawberries are actually really great for salads because they're a little bit firmer and go a little bit better with some of the savory elements. Not to say that the salad with super ripe juicy berries isn't delicious as well. So whatever you've got for strawberries, it's gonna be great. I really love how every element of the salad really brings something to the table. You have the crunch from the sugar snap peas and the fennel and the almonds. I do love crunchy things. A salad without crunch is like, what's the point? I don't understand. You have bitterness from the Carly endive and the radicchio. Both of them are in the chicory family, and they have a bitterness to them that plays really well with the sweetness of the strawberries and the creaminess of the feta. You have the cooling herbaceousness of the mint. It's just a great salad. Great for barbecues and picnics and beach days and whatever else happens outside during the spring and the summer. And, just for Tuesday night dinner. Like all of my salads, you can play with the ingredients and swap things around. You could easily substitute kale or arugula for the bitter greens, red onion for the fennel, pistachios for the almonds, and goat cheese for the feta. Maybe not all of those things at once. It might become a really different salad. But salads are really about understanding how different flavors and textures work together. You need to have great components to make it well-rounded. I do have a video called How to Make a Good Salad, which you can reference here if you want to learn more in depth about my salad philosophies. But enough of this ramble. Let's get to the main event. We're going to start out with our lettuces, radicchio, which I like to slice really thinly because it's so bitter. Got curly endive, which is pretty similar to frise, but cheaper at my grocery store. Mint. Tear it up. Cutting it with a knife will make it oxidize more quickly. Thinly sliced fennel. The star of the show, those nubile strawberries. I don't think I should ever say the word nubile. Let's just forget that happened. The star of the show, our new to season strawberries. On to the snap peas. Also kind of the star. For me, nothing says spring like a snap pea. It just embodies spring. This sweet vegetable is technically a legume. They have this kind of thread that runs around the outside of their pod. And you do want to eat the pod, but you want to remove the thread. These snap peas that I'm working with here must have been pretty young or something because I couldn't get the thread off to save my life. And I've never encountered that before. But the basic idea is to utilize your thumb to peel the edge and pull off the string. You're gonna want to cut them on a bias because it looks pretty. Thin, but not so thin that they don't crunch any. 1/8 of an inch? Like less than that, like a 1/16 of an inch. Okay, we're done here. You're gonna figure it out. Almonds. What on earth happened to my chopping almond footage? I don't know. I don't know where it went. It is a mystery we may never solve. Please consult literally any of my other salad making videos. You will see that I always use a serrated knife to chop my nuts. They are less likely to fly everywhere and won't dull your sharp knives. Feta, crumbled and dropped in my opinion, the funkier the better. Now let's talk dressing. I'm sure you're gonna recognize this recipe from my citrus salad video, a classic. It's my main dressing that I use, especially for fruit-driven salads. This is the halved version meant to serve two. A bit of grated garlic, obviously. Everything has a grated garlic. A pinch of dried tarragon for fun. 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar. 2 teaspoons of my favorite ingredient, balsamic cream, aka pre-made balsamic reduction in a squeeze bottle. A miracle on earth. Magical. Whisk it all up, and you're ready to toss your salad. Don't forget to salt and pepper. Not pictured, but I actually did forget to salt and pepper this salad, and when I ate it, I knew. And enjoy, obviously. Quick, simple, and to the point, but I hope that you enjoyed another salad recipe from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.